A lot of the times clients come in and we're designing in a lot of different shapes and a lot of different mosaics, and customers are consistently and constantly asking us, what does that mean? What is that? So we're going to run you through a little bit of what that is. I'm Anna.
I'm Megan.
And we are Procida Tile's interior designers, and we are going to run you through a little bit about what each one is. So to start off, I'm going to say a very popular one that we love is the Herringbone pattern. So if you look at this is a crisscross on top of each other. And this is also Bianco Violeta, very, very popular. We love this one. But this is what a herringbone pattern looks like.
I'm going to pick my favorite one. This is a floral design almost. What would we call it? A floret? Floral. Like it has different two tones. This has different tones. So this is one of my favorite designs. It's a little bit more intricate with two tones, our beautiful calicotic gold, and from a dot, a little floral design. My favorite.
We have the very, very classic old school style of the penny round. So these are the circular shapes that have been around for a very classic time. They come in white, they come in green, they also come in a lot of marbles. So this is a fan favorite as well, that classic penny round.
Beautiful. And then the popular Hexagon, one of the most popular by far. Everybody loves it. All different colors again, marble, porcelain, whatever it is, we have it.
We also have your classic arch designs in mosaic format. So this is one of those popular ones. This is actually pretty brand new. The classic arch pattern, they call this one actually curvosa. Calicotic gold and thassos inlaid into the small little mosaics. This is so beautiful.
Chevron, another very popular pattern. Here we have the mother of pearl with thassos marble. Very bright and happy and organic feeling.
Diamond. We love this. So the diamond shape. So it's diamond inlaid in more diamonds in multiple color tones. Very, very classic. Love this pattern.
And here is a Clover pattern. New pattern that I'm really loving. Here it's shown in the blue celeste. Beautiful.
We have the classic Arabesque, or as some people like to call it, lantern shape. So this is what that one looks like. This is calicotic gold. Classic marble.
Here we have the Picket design, or elongated hexagon. Modern. Very pretty.
There's the very classic Basketweave pattern. So this comes in the classic weave, or some options offer it in the large basket weave, which is this one right here. So we do love this very, very classic traditional pattern, which also comes in this is a tri-weave. So a little bit more like detailed in a smaller basket. Here we have a tumbled random brick. Very good. River rocks. Beautiful. This here is a composite river rock. And this one happens to be the natural stone version of the river rock pattern. Some intricate patterns don't typically usually have, say, a specific pattern like hexagon or herringbone because they hold multiple shapes. This would be considered a water jet mosaic. So you see a lot of different unique designs within this. We have an entire wall of them, and they're very unique and very beautiful. So we have the classic mosaic of squares. This would be a 2x2, and then they come in other sizes and shapes like that.
Like our seamless squares here. Beautiful, tight grout line.
So as you can see, there's a lot of options available within the mosaic collection,
including this entire wall. There is something for anybody here.
So if you want,
so come on into Procida Tile so we can pick the perfect design for you.